Hello, my dear students. I'm Zainab Hassan, your science teacher. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home and you were also studying well. So, students, before our summer break, we started chapter 2 of our class 10 subject science, that is acids, bases, and salts, and we have completed this chapter up to the pH scale. So, today we'll start our next topic, that is some important compounds which are made from sodium chloride, that is common salt. जो common salts है उससे बने हुए 5 compounds ऐसे हैं which we have to study, and these compounds are very important for your board examination because every year one question comes from these 5 compounds. इन पांचों में से कोई एक क्वेश्चन ज़रूर पूछा जाता है बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन में हर साल, and that is of 3 marks. So let's begin with our first compound is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is the chemical name of caustic soda. Caustic soda का chemical name होता है sodium hydroxide, and this sodium hydroxide is found in your house. The soda you are using for making the lemonade or the that is used in some aerated drinks is the caustic soda, and the chemical formula of this caustic soda is NaOH. इसका chemical formula क्या होता है? NaOH. Now let's see the physical properties of sodium hydroxide. What do you mean by the physical properties? Yes, physical properties are those properties which we can identify by seeing, touching, or tasting the substance. So the first physical property of sodium hydroxide is that it is white fine powdery substance like common salt. जैसे आपके घर में नमक होता है वैसे ही ये सोडा white fine powder की फॉर्म में होता है. It is now basic in nature. Its second property is it is basic in nature. What is the meaning of basic in nature? Basic in nature means it has the pH value more than 7. Now we have the third property, that is it is soapy to touch. This one is soapy to touch means sodium hydroxide when touched appears just like a soap की तरह appear होता है, तो that's why it is known as soapy to touch. Now the fourth property, that is soluble in water. Sodium hydroxide easily mixes in water, that's why it is called soluble in water. आसानी से घुल जाता है water में. Now these were the physical properties. Now see the method of preparation of caustic soda, means how caustic soda is prepared in the laboratory. So students, caustic soda is prepared in the laboratory by the electrolysis of brine solution. जो ब्राइन सॉल्यूशन होता है उसका इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस करके हमें सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड या कॉस्टिक सोडा मिल जाता है. लेट्स सी द केमिकल इक्वेशन हाउ. In this we have NaCl. NaCl is the chemical formula of sodium chloride. Combines with water means it is mixed in water and the solution is known as brine solution. And when this solution is electrolyzed means electrodes are put there and current is passed over there. Then what happens? Sodium hydroxide is formed, which is our main product, and along with that chlorine and hydrogen gas are these gases are obtained on anode and cathode respectively. Now the uses of sodium hydroxide are, its first uses, it is used to make soaps. Being an alkali, it is used for making the soap. It is soluble in water and it is used to make the soaps. Its second uses, it is used to make snacks crispy. जो हमारे snacks होते हैं, whether it is samosa, pakode or everything, that are snacks, and in our houses that baking soda, that caustic soda is used to make the snacks crispy. Now the third one is it is used to make aerated drinks. What are aerated drinks? The drinks containing soda means the caustic soda are known as aerated drinks, और उन सोडा ड्रिंक्स में जो है यही सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड यूज़ किया जाता है. नाउ द फोर्थ यूजेस, इट इज़ यूज्ड इन मेकिंग पेंट्स एंड डाइज. ये पेंट और डाई बनाने के काम भी आता है. Now these were the uses of sodium hydroxide. Now students, this process is also known as chlor-alkali process. इस process को chlor-alkali process भी कहा जाता है. Why? Because see the equation here. An alkali NaOH is formed here. What is alkali? Alkali is a water soluble base. Base होता है NaOH, सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, और पानी में घुल भी जाता है. That's why it is known as alkali. और ये alkali plus this chlorine gas, ये दोनों चीज़ें इस प्रोसेस में रिलीज हो रही है. That's why the process is known as chlor-alkali process. Now we will talk about the next compound, and the next compound is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Now in sodium hydrogen carbonate what happens, it is the chemical name of baking soda. ये sodium hydrogen carbonate जो है baking soda का common name chemical name होता है, and baking soda is the common name of sodium hydrogen carbonate. The formula of sodium hydrogen carbonate is NaHCO3. It is also known as sodium bicarbonate. And the physical properties of sodium hydrogen carbonate are, it is white crystalline solid. This one is not a fine powder, it's a crystalline solid, and it is used to make baking powder by grinding it and mixing the tartaric acid in it. Tartaric acid मिला करके grind करते हैं इसको, उसके बाद बेकिंग पाउडर प्रिपेयर किया जाता है जो डिफरेंट केक्स और पेस्ट्रीज को बेक करने के काम आता है. नाउ the second property is it is sparingly soluble in water. What is the meaning of sparingly soluble in water? Sparingly soluble in water means this baking soda is not easily soluble in water. It takes some time, or some lumps are formed in mixing in water. That's why it is known as sparingly soluble. Its third property is it is basic in nature. ये क्या होता है? बेसिक नेचर का ही होता है. मीन्स इट्स pH वैल्यू इज मोर देन 7. नाउ द मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन. मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन मतलब कैसे इसको बनाया जाता है. हाउ इज इट प्रिपेयर्ड इन द लेबोरेटरीज. नाउ see, it is prepared on passing carbon dioxide over a mixture of sodium chloride, water and ammonia. सोडियम क्लोराइड, वाटर और अमोनिया के मिक्सचर पे जब हम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस पास करते हैं, देन सोडियम hydrogen carbonate is formed along with ammonium chloride. Let's see the chemical equation. The equation is NaCl, the chemical formula of sodium chloride, H2O, the chemical formula of water, NH3, the chemical formula of ammonia, then CO2, the chemical formula of carbon dioxide. When all these are mixed together, then baking soda is formed, and NH4Cl, which is ammonium chloride, is also formed here, but our main product is baking soda. Now see the uses. It is used in antacid. What are antacids? Antacids are the medicines which are used to cure acidity. Acidity से बचने के काम जो दवाइयाँ आती हैं उन्हें antacids बोलते हैं. और being basic in nature, this sodium hydrogen carbonate is also used in treating acidity. Now the second use is it is used in baking cakes and pastries. इसको केक और पेस्ट्री को बेक करने के काम में लिया जाता है. Why? Because on heating it produces CO2, and that CO2 makes the cakes pastries fluffy. जो केक होता है और पेस्ट्रीज होती हैं वो फ्लफ़ी या सॉफ्ट ही अच्छी लगती हैं. तो उनको उसमें क्यों बेकिंग सोडा का यूज़ किया जाता है? बिकॉज व्हेन वी हीट दैट बेकिंग सोडा, जब वो उसको हीट किया जाता है तो वहाँ पे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड बनती है, एंड यही कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मेक्स द केक फ्लफी. नाउ सी द थर्ड यूज. इट इज़ यूज्ड इन सोडा फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर. सोडा फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर क्या होता है? जो आग बुझाते हैं उनको, इंस्ट्रूमेंट को फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर कहा जाता है. सोडा फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर एक ऐसा एक्सटिंग्विशर होता है जिसमें सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड के साथ बेकिंग सोडा डाला जाता है, and after that it also releases CO2, and that carbon dioxide is used for extinguishing fire. Used to kill insects. Its fourth uses, it is used to kill insects. ये insects को मारने के काम भी आता है. Now students, these were the two compounds from the 5-1. So tomorrow we will talk about rest of the 3. So let's see the homework for today, and the homework is you have to read the content carefully. I'll provide you the notes of this chapter. आपको इसको content को पढ़ना है केयरफुली, एंड देन राइट दीज नोट्स इन योर फेयर क्लास वर्क नोटबुक. और आपको इसको अपनी फेयर क्लास वर्क नोटबुक में लिखना है, एंड देन यू हैव टू टेक योर NCERT textbook, and from NCERT textbook you have to solve the questions which are based on these two topics. I hope you understood the content well, so revise them, solve the NCERT question. Till then, have a very wonderful day.